Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a cat into a carrier. First, select a carrier that is sturdy and has both top and front openings for easier access. It should be large enough for your cat to stand and turn around comfortably. Leave the carrier open in a common area of your home for several days, placing soft bedding and tasty treats inside. This helps your cat associate the carrier with positive experiences, making the process much smoother. Your calm demeanor is key. When it's time to get your cat inside, try luring them with a trail of treats leading into the carrier. You can also use a favorite toy to entice them. If your cat is still reluctant, gently scoop them up, and if your carrier allows, lower them in tail first from the top opening. This method often feels less confrontational for the cat. Once they are safely inside, close the door swiftly but calmly, ensuring it is latched securely. For resistant cats, a towel can be a great tool. Gently wrap your cat in a towel, creating a kitty burrito, which makes them feel more secure and easier to handle. Consider using a feline pheromone spray, like feline, inside the carrier about 30 minutes before use. This can significantly reduce stress. If all else fails, discuss options with your veterinarian for a mild sedative. Once your cat is in the carrier, immediately offer a treat and gentle praise to reinforce the positive association. During travel, covering the carrier with a light blanket can help reduce visual stimulation and make your cat feel more secure. Upon arrival at your destination, provide fresh water and access to a litter box. Allow your cat some quiet time to adjust and continue to offer positive interactions to ensure future carrier experiences are less stressful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.